Hi, so expand and simplify the following expressions. X plus 8 times x minus 3, x plus 1 times x minus 2, x plus 3. Let's just do this one first. So we've got x plus 8 times x minus 3. So the method I'm going to use is x times this bracket, so that becomes x times x minus 3 plus 8 times this bracket plus 8 times x minus 3. So expanding, x times x gives me x squared, x times minus 3 gives me minus 3x, 8 times x gives me 8x, and then 8 times minus 3, which gives me minus 24. What we do next is collect together the like terms, which are these two here. So we've got x squared minus 3x plus 8x gives me 5x minus 24. In part B, we've got x plus 1 times x minus 2, x plus 3. What we're going to do, leave this one out and we expand these two here like we've just done here. So we've got x plus 1 brackets, x times, so we do x times x plus 3, minus 2 times x plus 3, minus 2 times x plus 3. Leaving this out of the bracket to begin with, so we've got x plus 1, and then we do x times x, which is x squared, x times 3, which is 3x, minus 2 times x, which is minus 2x, and then minus 2 times plus 3, which is minus 6. So be careful with the sign there, please. Collect together the like terms. These two here were going to give me 1. So we've got x plus 1, x squared, plus 1x, which we just write as x minus 6. And then we do the x times this bracket, which is x times x squared plus x minus 1, plus 1 times this bracket, plus 1 times x squared plus x minus 6. So x times x squared gives me x cubed, x times x gives me x squared, x times minus 6 gives me minus 6x. Then we've got 1 times x squared, which gives me x squared, 1 times x, which gives me x, and 1 times minus 6, which gives me minus 6. Collecting together the like terms, we've got x cubed, so we've got x squared plus x squared, so that's 2 lots of x squared, and then minus 6x plus x gives me minus 5x, and then we've got the minus 6. So this has been a video to show you how to expand brackets. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.